Sitting in the
Stop it. Calculate its impact point. Looks like Desert, California. Supernova, this is Redboard. We actually have one. Scott Nimoy. I repeat, Scott Nimoy.
Let's get started.
Or a perfect day, man. And good morning, Modesto.
Gorgeous, sweetheart.
Ah, my little girl.
Daddy!
Now, I want you to know that even though I'm about to give you away, I'll always be here.
Don't cry because you're gonna make me cry. That's just gonna be a mess. No, everyone! Attention, attention! I started in 30 minutes. Hi, Mama Deal. It's my birthday.
The weather and the weather is white.
This time tomorrow, I'm gonna be in Paris. It's Sunday. We won't just be there. Derek will be a neighbor or a foreign correspondent. In trouble.
I might make this a draw. One tongue is shorter than the other. It runs in the family.
Derek doesn't have that.
It skips a generation. You're just gonna happen.
Wow.
Handsome. Sorry, I'm just a little frazzled. I just spend way too much time with their parents.
Don't worry, okay? You know, it's just us. No, it's just that. We're not going to Paris.
What?
Because we're going somewhere better.
Better than Paris?
Oh, yeah.
Where? Tahiti?
Nope. Fresno.
Fresno! Fresno! What universe is Fresno better than Paris, Derek?
You mean, I've got an audition to go Channel 23's Evening Anchor Universe. I had to call for the general manager. He wants me to come in and meet him.
Freezer
Isn't that
for
great?
5 minutes.
Derek! Wait, as long as we're together.
I put it in the freezer for 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna play with this sound that
Us.
but every don't get it out after 5 minutes. Get it out after like when you get 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Don't believe in that stuff.
And then
By the way, what
it'll
do
be
you call
like
the handsome news anchor in the top, all right?
is if you want to change it,